You guys can see this poor beat up case all coming apart here. Check out what's going on here. In today's stream, we're going to go through it real quick and see what works, what doesn't.
Hey guys, so there is going to be a sponsor for today's video. Just letting you know ahead of time, we'll get right back into it once the sponsor is done. So without further ado, here's the sponsor.
Today's sponsor is Mining Disrupted. This is a crypto conference that's going to be taking place down in Miami, Florida on July 20th and 21st. BBT will be there, and we also got a coupon code for you guys that want to attend. It's coupon code BitsBeTrippin for saving 15% off. Links below. All right, so that's one of the GPUs of a few. A few of the other ones have like their, I don't know if you guys can tell this, but it pushed all these plates down because it kind of compressed everything in this rig. So everything kind of was compressed down. Definitely had some heat running through that one. You can see the discoloration there. So folks ask when we start to replace them out at the farm, it's the same thing. This is stuff we're looking for. Where you see some, just some heat fatigue on the 6-pin there. This is a perfect example of some heat fatigue on the 6-pin. Where it starts to discolor it. There it is. Now you guys can see the difference. You guys see the difference of heat fatigue? If you have risers at home, I'll be replacing personal. That starts to show kind of the fatiguing of that. Your 6-pins, this is the way we don't see them, or whether or not throwing that kind of damage. And let's get this thing plugged in. I'll turn it on for right now. Let this machine hasn't been booted in a minute. Well, it lights up and the fans are spinning. That's a good sign. It's all green, but that could be the capture card. Oh, that's Windows wanting to do Windows related things. All right. It might be trying to install something too, because this machine hasn't been booted in a minute. It looks like it sees it, and I don't see any exclamation points. So it looks like we have a good GPU. All right, here we go. Well, it lit up the top of it. Maybe it's setting it up. We do have an exclamation point here. It could also be the driver that we have installed is sketch and is like not compatible with the old RX 480. Let's go here and look. So it looks like the latest, like the update of the driver plus the code 40 with the other, we fixed it. So you saw the steps there. I did the pixel patcher, and then I just tried to force a new driver because I couldn't tell if the driver that was on this computer was not picking up that RX 480. It did pick up the 580, but it looks like the driver fixed it for us. So we have possibly restored this. Let me see if I can run a miner on it real quick. Probably need to do a full reboot, and it's going to take a minute for this thing to kind of optimize itself, but this GPU should level off at about, and I can smell it. Right there, so if you see the tuning, it says that the tuning is complete. That's its testing of what would be equivalent, the same equivalent to the BIOS that it's using. So that's a memory injection that it's doing there. So this GPU looks like it's running. It was actually mining successfully, even with the damage on the back of it. So Sapphire took the beating, my dudes.